Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up a steady camera and consistent light. Even small shifts ruin the illusion. Once done, open Google Slides, set the page to 16:9, and create your background on slide 1. Make sure objects you won't move are grouped and positioned exactly where you want them. That prevents accidental shifts later. Next, place your first pose elements and take a clear photo. Save it and insert it into slide 1 so you have a locked starting frame to build from. Once you have your base slide, duplicate it for every micro movement. Think in small increments so motion reads smoothly. You should adjust only the elements that change, nudge limbs, rotate a puppet, or swap in a new photo, keeping everything else identical. Make sure to name or color code layers to avoid confusion and use the arrow keys for precise pixel-level moves. If you're using photos, replace the image on each slide rather than re-importing. That keeps alignment stable and reduces timing errors later. After you finish frames, export all slides as PNG or JPEG sequence. You can also publish to the web and capture frames into an MP4. Then import images into a video editor at 12 to 24 frames per second and preview. If you see jitter, identify misaligned anchor points and correct them in slides, or crop consistently to hide tiny shifts. Sometimes reshooting 2 or 3 problem frames is faster. If timing feels off, adjust FPS or duplicate frames to slow motion slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.